Hi, I'm Nick Marra with CJS Electric, and I'm here to show you how to install outdoor lighting. First you'll need is a screwdriver, pair of needle nose pliers, possibly some strippers. Okay, first we take the mounting plate. We attach it to the box. Black, white, bear. Black, white, bear. Color to color. Bear to bear. Give it a nice tug. Make sure it's a good connection. Nice tug. Roll these nice and neatly up into the back of the box. Install the mounting screws. Okay. I'm Nick Marra with CJS Electric, and that's how you install outdoor lighting.